All right, guys, Spencer here again with Motor Sportsland. Just want to check in on your spring service, getting ready to go. Now, if you pulled your battery off of your coach to trickle charge it over the winter or just store it indoors, or if you're replacing your battery this spring to get started out, just a couple tips as you go to reinstall it. Generally speaking, you'll have red and black wires available to hook your battery up. All your reds are going to go to the positive, and your blacks are going to go to the negative. Generally speaking, sometimes you'll have a white for the negative. Be confident. As you take one off, it's always a good idea, in my opinion, to take a picture, help you put it back together, and just be mindful of which terminals are which, especially if you're doing multiple batteries, whether it's two 12-volt in series or, whether it's two 6-volts in series or two 12-volts in parallel. You want to make sure you get that right to avoid causing any damage to your system. So taking a picture can really help that. As you get things back together, you'll want to look for corrosion on the battery, and you want to clean that off well. Make sure to wear protective gear for your eyes and hands as you do that, to keep those chemicals off your skin and out of your eyes. So clean that up and get it back together. It's a good idea. If you're familiar and comfortable, you can use a voltmeter to check for power. Otherwise, as you get it together, it's not a bad idea to go inside, go to the monitor panel, push the button, make sure that power is present. If you have a battery disconnect like this one here, they won't always be here. Hopefully you're familiar enough with your coach to know where that lives. Make sure that's turned on when testing it, and also when trying to charge the battery by plugging the trailer in.